Learn all the functions of your Crypto Sniper bot in this video. Function number 1. This is where you enter the contract of the token you want to buy. You can do this via Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V or by clicking the paste button next to the paste by button. The paste by button works as follows. I will enter the amount of BNB that I want to buy. If I press paste by, it will automatically place a buy order as soon as you paste the contract here. Now the buy order has been sent and it is just waiting for confirmation. Function number 2. This is the amount of the main coin you want to buy, in this case BNB. Function number 3. This is the number of purchases you want to make. Function number 4. This is the number of tokens you want to buy. This function is very useful for launches that have a maximum number of tokens you can buy. For example, if the maximum purchase is 1,000 tokens, you can put 1,000 tokens in function 4, and regardless of the price of the main coin, it will buy 1,000 tokens. Function number 5. This is the time interval in which you want the bot to check for liquidity. You can always leave it at 0. Function number 6. This function only buys if the token price is lower than what you enter here. You will not use this function for launches, but more for trading. Function number 7. This is the slippage, and you can always leave it at 100. GWEI is directly proportional to the max GUS and helps you get a better position in the block and buy faster. I recommend leaving the GWEI at 20 or even a little higher. Function number 9. This is to approve the token before buying. Some contracts have a blacklist, and some use these approves to put wallets on the blacklist. When the sniper makes the purchase, it automatically approves the coin, and when you try to sell, it automatically approves it as well. This may not be so interesting, but it is up to you. There is also a button to force the approve in case of an error.
From function number 11, and all the way down to function 19 are selling functions.
Function number 11. This is the number of seconds you want the sniper to sell after buying. For example, if you want the sniper to buy in 10 seconds and then sell, you will mark this box and enter 10 seconds here. Function number 12. This function sells if the token price is higher than what you enter here. It is difficult to predict the price for launches, so it is not recommended to use this function for those. I recommend using function 13, which sells when the price reaches a certain percentage of profit from when you bought it. For example, if you want to sell at 2x profit, you can mark this option and enter 100%. Function number 14. This is the custom slippage. If this is not marked, it will use the slippage from option 7. This function is difficult to use. Function number 15. This is the stop loss. Set it to sell if you have a loss greater than what you define here. Function number 16. This function is used when you already have the token in your wallet and only want the sniper to sell it. You do not want the sniper to buy it. For example, if you bought tokens in a presale and want to sell them quickly, you will mark this option 16, and it will automatically remove all the purchase options. Function number 18. This is the number of sales you want the sniper to make. For example, you have 1,000 tokens. If you put 10, it will make 10 sales, and so on. Function number 19 is the exact amount of tokens you want to sell. Here you have the correlation between function number 19 and function number 4, which is the amount of tokens you want to buy, along with 19, which is the exact amount of tokens you want to sell. Function number 17 is important. It shows all the nodes that are available. In case you have any private node, you can also put it here. You just need to configure it in the config file. On the side, there are 2 buttons to check the latency of the main node and to check all available latencies. Here we have all the available DXs for the sniper to make purchases. Just select one. Function number 21 serves for the sniper to check for scams and if there are any barriers, abusive fees or honeypots, such as tokens that you can buy but cannot sell. It will not make the purchase if it is of this type. It is very important to leave it marked, but if you trust the coin 100%, it is good to uncheck it. The directly button is used when the liquidity pair is not standard in BNB. It releases the use of the BUSD pair or any other token that you add in the config file. The configuration PDF teaches how to use it. Guess is also related to liquidity, and the sniper tries to guess which pair will have liquidity as soon as it is released. It checks some parameters such as the highest liquidity with the highest token amount. Function number 22, check clipboard and force buy, is used for cases where the contract is sent immediately, and by checking this option, the next contract you copy on your Ctrl+C will be purchased automatically when you return to the sniper screen, forcing an automatic purchase. This function is great for catching pump signals. The loop function is when you use, for example, function 6 to only buy when the price is lower and sell for a profit percentage in function 13. After a cycle, let's suppose the sniper bought and sold. If the loop option is not checked, it will not buy again, but if the loop is activated, it will keep buying and selling every time it hits the defined prices. Function number 23, buy at, is the time on your windows. Suppose you want to buy a token at a specific time, just check this option and enter the time. Wait function is the number of seconds you want the sniper to wait before executing a buy order. Here we have two very important buttons, force buy and force sell 100%, 50%, 25%, and 10%. If you click on force buy, the sniper will force the purchase of the token that is in function number 1 and the quantity that is in function number 2 with respect to the pair. Here we have force sell, which sells for a percentage of each button, in case you want to sell 100%, 50%, 25%, or 10%. As I mentioned earlier, the max gas is directly proportional to GUI. For the launch, I recommend you leave it at 2 million and the GUI at over 20. Here in this part, we have all the information from your wallet along with the information of the token you are buying. Here we have your balance in the main currency, the quantity of tokens you are buying, the liquidity of the token you are buying, the token price, the main currency price, and the trading status appears here, whether it is open or closed for buying and selling. Here we have the token rates you want to purchase, and finally, you have the link that takes you directly to Pookcoin.app to analyze the graph. I hope you have enjoyed it. These were all the functions of Crypto Sniper Bot. Trade with confidence and success with Crypto Sniper Bot, your ally in the crypto world. Profit every day with our daily signals in our Telegram group. We look forward to hearing from you. Contact us via Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to not miss any videos on our channel. Until next time, and good profits.